In the previous videos we have seen what is timekeeping system. So what are the requisites of good timekeeping system? Let's see in this session. Number one, the system of timekeeping should be such it should not allow proxy, right? So it should not provide for proxy for another worker in any circumstances. So that have to be taken care. Number two, there should also be provision of recording of time of these workers so that regular attendance and discipline can be maintained. So there should be provision for recording the time of these workers, and this is necessary to maintain uniformity of flow of production. The third point is the time of arrival as well as the time of departure of workers should be recorded so that total time of workers may be recorded and wages may be calculated accordingly. So what is important is the time of arrival and the time of departure, both should be recorded. The fourth point is, as far as possible, the method of recording of time should be mechanical so that the chances of disputes regarding the time may not arise between the workers and timekeepers. So it should be mechanical in nature. The fifth factor or fifth point can be latecomers should be recorded as late arrivals. So any relaxation by timekeeper in this regard will encourage indiscipline. So latecomers should be recorded as late arrivals. The sixth requisite can be the system should be simple, smooth and quick. That is, it should be S, S and Q. Simple, smooth and quick. Unnecessary queuing at the factory gate should be avoided. Sufficient clocks should be installed, keeping in view the number of workers so that workers may not have to wait for a long period for recording their time of arrivals and departures. So what does it mean is there should be sufficient clocks that should be installed, keeping in view the number of workers. And the last one is there should be a responsible officer. He should pay frequent visits at the factory gate to see the proper method of recording of time is being followed. So if these factors are taken care, then there will be a good timekeeping system.